If the concentration of glucose in blood is 0.9 grams per liter, what will be the molarity of glucose in blood? So the concentration of glucose given to us is 0.9 gram per liter. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Mass of glucose in 1 liter is equals to 0.9 grams. ठीक है, अगर मैं बात करती हूँ मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ ग्लूकोज के बारे में, सो मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ ग्लूकोज इज 180 ग्राम पर मोल. Fine, or you can also say 180 gram per liter. Okay, so we need to calculate the number of moles of glucose. Number of moles of glucose के बारे में बात करते हैं. That is equals to the given mass 0.9 grams, okay, by 180 gram per mole. The molar mass. Number of moles is equals to given weight by molar mass. Fine, that's absolutely right. So 0.9 by 180. So it actually comes out to be equals to, it's 9 by 18 into 100. So it's equals to 1 by 2 into 100. I think you got my particular point. So your answer to the question over here will be 5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 moles आ जाएगा इसका आंसर. Absolutely right, people. Because 1 by 2 is equals to 0.5. So 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 2, which makes it as 5 into 10 raised to a minus 3 moles आ गया है. मोलारिटी कैलकुलेट करनी है ग्लूकोज की, क्योंकि कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ग्लूकोज की ब्लड में कितनी है? 0.9 ग्राम पर लीटर. दैट मीन्स वी डू हैव 1 लीटर ऑफ ब्लड. वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सोल्यूशन is 1 liter, and that is basically blood we are talking about. So now if I want to talk about molarity is number of moles of the solute, that is glucose, number of moles of glucose by volume of solution in liters. So number of moles of glucose is basically 5 into 10 raised to power minus 3. वॉल्यूम कितना है? 1 लीटर है. सो यहाँ मोलारिटी कितनी आ जाएगी? 0.005 मोलर आ गई है मोलारिटी. सो राइट आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर 3.